Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving competence quickly. Focus on formulas, pivot tables, and XLOOKUP because hiring managers test those first. Once you have core skills, build 3 portfolio projects, dashboard, forecasting model, and an automation with macros to show range and depth. Make sure each project includes a 1-page summary and sample file. Explain intent and impact. Quantify results where possible. This immediate portfolio replaces vague claims and starts conversations and interviews. Once your portfolio exists, shift into outreach and tailored applications. You should target specific roles, FP&A, reporting, operations, then customize your 1-page resume and cover note to highlight the Excel outcomes and metrics you achieved. Reach out on LinkedIn and niche boards, sending purposeful messages to 20 contacts each week while applying to curated listings. Make sure to reference portfolio examples in messages. This focused cadence beats shotgun applying because it builds relationships and produces interview referrals. You finish by practicing hands-on demos and a concise 10-minute portfolio walkthrough. Interviewers often ask for live problem solving, so rehearse timed tasks and explain logic as you go. Once you have offers, negotiate using measurable impacts from your projects and market salary data to justify value. If you struggle to get offers, then expand into VBA or Power Query and accept short contracts to build references. That troubleshooting step converts gaps into concrete experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.